G'day, my name is Matt. I'm one of the product specialists here at AC Solar Warehouse. I look after Enphase Energy, and today I'm here to talk to you about a new product, the Communication Kit 2, or CK2 for short. What this product does, it gives you more options to install more IQ batteries out there. How does it work? It's a communication converter, so it enables you to communicate directly from your IQ gateway, formerly known as Envoy, directly to your IQ batteries. So you can save a fair bit of money if you don't need to install your IQ system controller. The only caveat is you don't get your backup there. But for most cases, batteries are just simply used for your charging during the day and discharging at night, just your load shifting. So this can really save you a significant amount of money. In terms of installation, depending on if it's new or existing, you have a few different options. For new installs, you can get a solar distribution board as such here, an AC board, have your IQ gateway, your breakers and your IQ relays along with your CK2. Here we have 2 extra IQ relays, 1 for each battery if you're going to do 2 battery install. You also have the option for a retrofit application for an existing site where you can put this subboard on the bottom of an existing board using these joiner kits, and here you have your breakers and your IQ relays along with the CK2 behind there as well. It also comes with communication cable for it to go from the CK2 to the batteries, and also the corresponding IQ battery label kits. You can also buy the unit on its own. As you can see there, it's DIN mounted. It could also be wall mounted. A USB cable comes with a USB cable which goes from the CK2 back to the IQ gateway. It's 400 mil long, so you just need to make sure this unit is within 400 mil of the IQ gateway. And those are essentially the options you have for the CK2. In terms of support, Enphase are currently doing a webinar series. Their Australia, New Zealand, Pacific team are currently putting that on, so it might be good to get involved in that to see all the ins and outs of this installation. But we're also happy to help, so please feel free to reach out to one of your account managers here. We can quote up any sort of system for you and let you know if you have any questions. So hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.